Hello, welcome to Yoga Explained with Aliona. I'm Aliona. Thank you so much for taking your time to join us here today. This is the yoga channel that you can rely on for tips and solutions for a happy, healthy, and vibrant lifestyle from the yogic perspective. Today, we're going to be exploring a practice that's good for you, anyone at any time. It's simple. If you have no experience with yoga, you'll learn something and be able to do it. If you have lots of experience with yoga, you'll likely also learn something and leave feeling centered, well, and hopefully really inspired. This practice is inspired by the Iyengar tradition by BKS Iyengar. I am not an Iyengar teacher, but I have had the great privilege to study with one of his students for nearly 10 years. So thank you very much for joining us. For this practice, you're going to need any kind of pillow, ideally a bolster or block if you have one, and your yoga mat. So go ahead, get into something comfy, and we'll see you on the mat. Welcome back. We're going to begin in Sukhasana. Sukhasana, Sukha means sweet. Sukhasana is a simple, easy pose. Crossing at the center of your shins, sitting up on the bolster. First, we're going to create more surface area in your seat so you can feel more connected and more rooted into the earth. Take your right hand down to the floor and grab on to the left flesh and gently draw the left flesh back. Feel the spread of the flesh and that your surface area has become wider. It allows the whole body to become more relaxed and connected. Take the left hand down, grab onto the right buttock flesh, gently pull it back. Notice the spread of the seat and the connection to the earth. Here, allow your thigh bones to relax and release into the earth, allowing the hip flexors to soften. So thigh bones go down. Lift the whole side waist up, lift the center of the chest up while remaining to draw the thigh bones down, keep the hips relaxed. Now take your hands to the mat, to your blankets, to your pillow, whatever you've got, and pull to the side. As you pull apart your mat, your bolster, whatever you have, feel the outer shoulder blades move onto the back body. And as they do so, feel your chest open because now the chest feels supported. So the upper chest opens, you can get more breath into the lungs. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Trying to keep the shoulder blades as they are, draw the hands towards the center of your chest. Let the eyes slip closed. 4 long breaths. Bringing your awareness towards your intention. I recommend something simple like connection, peace. Going to make the sound of Om connecting to the highest self, the higher energy. And you're welcome to make the sound alongside me or just allow the sound to wash over you. Inhaling. the head to the chest, acknowledging your inner teacher. Release the hands down and gently open your eyes. And gently remove the pillow or blankets, whatever you had underneath your pelvis, slide it to the side. Our second posture is a Balasana, child's pose, or Adho Mukha Virasana. Spread your knees to the sides and let the buttock rest on your heels, pressing the palms firmly into the floor. Gain more length in the side body by drawing your hands a little bit more forward. As you do so, adjust and draw the buttock back onto the heels. Arms are straight, elbows firm, arms firm, so the arms are off the floor. Your breath is deep and full. Gaining length in the side body, continuing to draw the buttock towards your heels. This position allows you to connect mind, body, heart, and allows your brain to relax. Arms firm, palms firm, sideways long, buttock on heels, breath deep. A few more rounds. Refirm your arms. Curl the toes underneath you. Spread your feet a little bit wider. Make sure that the hands are just a little bit externally rotated. This will allow your shoulders to sit more easily on the back. The middle fingers can point towards the corners of the mat. Both of the palms are firm onto the floor. And press the pelvis back. Straighten your legs. Lift the heels up high. This will help lift the pelvis. Straighten your legs. Firm your knees, thigh bones back. Make your down dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana, a little bit longer. Keep pressing your palms. Long side waist, firm arms, firm legs. Breath deep. Feel the outer shoulder blades on your back body. And feel your head relaxed. Keep gaining length and lifting the pelvis. Keep using your arms and your legs to lift your pelvis up. Firm legs. Knees up, thighs back. And relax. It's a pretty long time to stay in down dog. We're going to do that again. Looking for more length, more space, more breath. Just 4 or so breaths. This time you can start to work your heels towards the floor if it's natural for you. But if you're not able to, lifting them up is really good to continue lifting the hips. So notice the difference. I'm now totally relaxed and letting things hang out. And now I'm lifting, pressing away from the earth, getting really long. And walk your feet forward. Feet as wide as your mat. Uttanasana, forward bend. Lift your knees. Legs lifting, hands to the sides, shoulders up. Breath long. This is my shoulders hanging. This is my shoulders lifted. Allowing for more space in the neck, more space in the head. It's okay if you're starting to shake in your legs, don't worry. But
do work on lifting the knees and being firm on your feet. Allowing the weight to go a little bit more forward towards your legs will allow you to release the mid-back. And draw your feet closer in, right underneath your hips. Press your hands onto the floor. Inhale your chest forward. Ardha Uttanasana, half lift. Okay, feel your legs really firm. Take your hands to your hips, press into your feet, and stand up. Gonna walk towards the center of the mat, and we'll take our last posture together, mountain pose. Take the feet right underneath your pelvis. Let's lift the toes to feel the 4 points of your feet on the floor. Lift your knees and thighs, long legs, firm legs. Outer hips firm in. And let's interlace the fingers. Balasana, press the palms forward, right thumb in front of left, and lift your arms up. Getting really tall, pressing the feet into the floor, going up with the hands, side body is long, your eyes are looking forward. Keep getting really long in your side body. Strong legs, knees are lifting, chest lifting, arms lifting, long side body, and arms forward and relax. Relax your feet. Let your knees bend for a moment, soften from the position, relax your head, relax your hands. Refirm your position, lift your toes, opposite thumb in front, palms press forward, Balasana. Extend your arms forward and up, press your arms through the ceiling, through the sky, press the feet through the floor, firm your feet. Now release your toes onto the floor. Feet going through the floor into the earth, arms through the ceiling into the heavens, side body long, legs firm, arms firm, breath deep. In this position, we have the great blessing of having our lungs really open. So let's take a deep, deep breath into our lungs. And release the arms forward and to the sides. Tadasana, feet together. Fingers released down really long, eyes at the center. Arms long, legs straight. Chin gently towards your chest. So we'll end here, taking your hands towards the center of your chest. Thank you very much for joining us. You're welcome to continue the practice if you feel inspired, moving in what feels good for you, being explorative. And you're welcome also to take a nice long Shavasana. Thank you very much for joining us. Namaste.